My name is Griselda Romero, and I am doing the universal speed limit for the speed of light. Light is considered to be the fastest speed in the universe. The letter C is used to represent the speed of light in physics equations. Albert Einstein built on this discovery with his theory of special relativity, proving that light speed is a cosmic speed limit. Over here is a picture of the cube at regular speed, and this would be what the cube would be like if it was traveling at light speed. For relevant fields, I chose telecommunication engineering. Telecommunication engineers work with radio waves, microwaves, fiber optics, all which move at or near the speed of light. The speed of light is important because it helps determine how fast information travels through air, space, and fiber cables. So it's a measurement of how you can use it to measure how fast something is going. So you can say it's traveling at the speed of light. Understanding the speed of light helps engineers design systems with precise timing. Engineers must understand how light works when it moves through air and space to prevent delays or signal losses. Over here is a fiber optic cable. The cable is used to transfer light through the cable. Okay. Relevant scientists, I chose Ole Roymer. He was born September 25th, 1644 in Aarhus, Denmark. He died September 19, 1710 in Copenhagen, Denmark. He's famous for observing the eclipse of Jupiter's moon's low finite speed, meaning that speed can be measured. He is the first person to successfully measure the speed of light. He was able to measure the speed of light from Jupiter's low eclipse, which varied from the Earth's position. And this is a picture of Ole Roymer.
Hello, my name is Hector Saavedra, and this is the introduction to the speed of light. Speed of light is the distance that light travels in 1 second through a vacuum or an empty space. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, nothing can travel faster than the speed of light in a vacuum. Light takes about 1.3 seconds to get from the moon to the earth. In ancient times, people believed light traveled instantly, but in the late 1800s, James Clerk Maxwell later proved that light is an electromagnetic wave, predicting its speed mathematically. And these are relevant fields to the speed of light, which are photonics and high energy physics. Photonics studies how light travels, bends, reflects, and interacts with materials. These movements depend on the light speed in different mediums. Photonics is the practical application of the speed of light. High energy physics studies how particles move at or near the speed of light, such as in particle accelerators. In particle accelerators, subatomic particles are accelerated to speed very close to the speed of light to study their behavior. And these are relevant scientists, which is Armand Fizeau, born on September 23rd, 1819, and died on September 18, 1896. In 1849, Fizeau became the first person to measure the speed of light using an experiment on Earth. He also confirmed that light travels slower in denser materials. Fizeau explored how light travels, how fast it moves, and how its speed changes in different materials.
My name is Brandon, bro. We did ours over the speed of light. My intro is basically over the cosmic speed. Speed of light in a vacuum is a fundamental, unchanging constant in the universe. Cosmic speed limit is the maximum speed limit at which any information or matter can travel. Anything exceeding the cosmic speed is basically it'll violate the principle of cause and effect. The speed of light is a constant as far as we can measure, which means everybody measures speed around the world the exact same. It's not different nowhere else over the world. Relevant fields that involves the speed of light, astronomers, they use the speed of light to study the history of the universe. Optical engineering, they design and develop light-based technologies for things like barcodes, phones, things of that nature. Computer engineering, they use the speed of light to find a communication delay in computers and it determines the size of the computer chip inside the computer. A scientist related to the speed of light is James Bradley. He was born in September of 1692. He died on July 13th of 1762. He discovered a variation of light while attempting to detect the stellar parallax. He also discovered the nutation of the Earth axis.
Hi everyone, my name is Maida Cabrera, and I wanted to start off with this. Light travels as both a wave and a particle called a photon. Its speed in a vacuum is about 299 million meters per second, but slows in materials like glass and water. This helps scientists measure distance in space and develop technologies like lasers and telescopes. Light's behavior connects in to fields like astrophysics, metrology, and quantum electrodynamics. One key scientist is James Clerk Maxwell, who proved that light, electricity, and magnetism are all connected through electromagnetic waves.